Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a creative memories advisor, and I have some information here. Right now, there's a great sale going on, 60% off so many items. So if you're watching it current, you can go on and look at my website, and there's a lot of great deals. I also have a business page and a customer group that I share a lot of information in. So you can take a screenshot if you'd like to. All right, today I'm going to be working with the Magic Christmas, and I checked to make sure everything was still available, and it is. This has been out for a little while, but I wanted to work on it to get some of my Christmas photos done from last year. So these are all the papers that are included. To get 2 of each. So like this one would be the same as this one. It's just showing the opposite side. And we'll look at them a little bit closer. So you've got the tree in a diamond shape and a leaf, very soft blue paper. You have very small icons. This would be great for cards. And then a brown stripe. You have poinsettias and a pine branch on green, very useful. This is very busy, but it's really nice with the pine branches and holly. And then on the back, let's see, what are they? Bows. I had it upside down. They're bows. And then you have icons and a really nice like snowy background with some, I guess they're darker shapes for snowflakes. Very nice paper. You have a plaid and a star, yellow star. So a lot of great papers in that. And the bundle came with the Magic of Christmas cardstock sampler pack. So you get 3 cranberry, 2 dark green, and 1 gold shimmer. This is not available anymore, but you can buy the papers individually. Unfortunately, you have to buy the whole pack to get it. I love that they come out with just the individual papers in a sampler like this for people to get, so they don't have to buy a whole pack of 10 each color. But I use a lot of cardstock, so and it's wrapped well. I don't know if you noticed, but their paper does come with the cardstock support sheet, if I can get it out of here. So it's pretty thick, and it keeps the paper nice and straight. So let's see. The 3 cranberry, gold shimmer. Look at it, isn't it gorgeous? And they put it in between the cardstock so that it stays straight and flat. And then the 2 dark green. Beautiful Christmas colors, right? All right. So that's the paper. And then I love this sheet that shows what papers come in it. And I often will use it as a white base after these papers, I've used them up. So I don't have to keep it any longer. But this way I know the papers that go with it. And after I've used them and they're, you know, maybe not put back where they're supposed to be, I can go back to this sheet and say, oh, it's part of this Magic of Christmas kit. So they also come out with embellishments. Let me just move this into the green. This, hopefully you'll be able to see better with the green underneath. And this is a pack of 40 die cuts. So you got the Santa, the reindeer, a snowman, another Santa. And these are great for making cards too. So easy. So lots of variety of embellishments to make your clusters. All right, so I'll put those aside. Also comes with some laser borders. So we have the poinsettia. I usually will buy 2 of these packages because they only give you 1 of each one. And I like to use them on, if I do a 2-page layout, I need 2. Oh, I like this green bow. I have a row of trees. Oh, there's 2 rows of trees. And the lights, candles, and candy, and more ribbon. So we'll set that aside. Now we have the mat pack, and these mat packs are sometimes a little bit smaller. So let me see, where did I put it? Oh, there it is. This has 12 in it. There's not, sometimes they have 24, so this only has 12, and it shows all of them that are on here. So these are really useful too. For photo mats, for title opportunities, for layering pieces. You can cut things out, you know, trim out the scallop. Punch out pieces. Oh, that's cute. Deck the halls with the snowman. Yeah, that's sort of thing we didn't have in there was snowmen. The tidings. Maybe there's some in the sticker under the mistletoe. Magical time of the year. Letters to Santa. Believe in the magic. Don't peek. And the last, and there's my other laser pack, is the stickers. Oh, there's a snowman. So they give you a sheet of stickers with icons, a sheet of borders. I love this one with the pine branches, and then a sheet of sentiments or title opportunities or whatever you would want to use them for. Nice ones too. They're not too big, not too small. So I took a minute and put everything in this project folder. I absolutely love these project folders. If I haven't shown these to you, I'm going to show them to you. They have outside pockets here for embellishments and the mat cards. They have a slot up here for stickers or for leftover long pieces of paper that are 6, it's probably more of 5 by 12. It also has long, deep pockets on the back for the laser borders or any borders punched out or the ones that you have in here. Another slot here for laser borders or the sticker sheets. And then on the inside is your 12 by 12 for your paper to keep it secure and safe. And then it also comes with a little tab here for, you know, your title of the paper that's in there. And then 2 tabs here, but I don't usually use those. So the tabs come with the kit. You get 4 of them in a package. They are so nice for keeping everything together in a collection. Love them. All right, next thing, look at this. I have my blue mat. It's the same as the gray one. It's just a pretty blue. And I also have the ruler. So let's open this up and check it out. I'm hoping, I know a lot of you have the Close to My Heart mats, and I'm hoping that it will fit on those too. So you don't have to feel like you have to buy another mat if you don't want to. I can't tell you how many mats I have, but I use them all. I use them for everything. Nice cardstock piece of tissue kind of paper. Oh, these are pretty nice. Pretty thick. And they fit right here, so they slide along your mat. So you can get everything measured correctly. Love it. All right, let's check out the Close to My Heart mat, which is pretty much the same. And hopefully they're the same exact size. It fits. So the ruler fits on the Close to My Heart. So if you're looking for a T-square ruler or something that goes, you can't see it as well because it's black on black. Black lettering on here, or black numbers, whatever you want to call them. But if you have paper on here, you'd be able to see it just fine. Love it. This is going to work great. And those are still available. I also have the new cutting guide, so I'm guessing that these will work with the Close to My Heart mats as well. The same idea as those rulers. You just have to use the little blades that you can use on the Close to My Heart mats. That's not a issue at all. I've used it on those before I went to Creative Memories. And they also give you the template, which I like. It has all the lines and what it will cut like with each of the blades. All right. So that's what I've got that's new. I will come back in a little while with another video using the Magic of Christmas collection and some of these items so that you can see them in action. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.